Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing a launcher that actually lets you change icons. This is the only reliable method across Android. Once installed, download an icon pack you like from the Play Store or sideload an APK if needed. Open the launcher's settings immediately because you want to apply the pack now. Check sections labeled Appearance or Look and Feel. Doing this first prevents wasting time wrestling with system themes that can't change all icons and prepares you for the targeted swap steps that follow. Once done with setup, select the new icon pack inside the launcher's icon or appearance settings. This applies the pack across your home screens. Make sure to adjust grid and icon sizes so icons align and don't overlap. Adaptive icon settings often need toggling to keep shapes consistent. For apps that still look off, long press an app, choose Edit, and swap the icon manually. You're doing this so every icon matches the pack stylistically and functionally across folders and the app drawer. To finish, confirm every home screen and the app drawer use the new icons, then restart the launcher or the device to force a full refresh. If some icons still won't change, make sure you installed the matching icon pack version and that the launcher is up to date, since compatibility is why changes can fail. As a final troubleshooting tip, back up launcher settings, then clear the launcher cache or recreate the home layout. This often resolves stubborn mismatches without losing your chosen icons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.